Okay, so we're checked in. We don't have our room yet, so we're just gonna hang out, I guess, and go to the pool. Paul successfully avoided, what is the word I'm trying to say? So when you check in, they like try to like get you to do a timeshare, and Paul successfully avoided it. It was awkward. I hate that stuff. But anyways, we are staying at Secrets, and we have Preferred Club. It's a little bit more, but you get access to like a private little area for like drinks and food, special check-in, whatever. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, bye. Okay, we just got to our room. It is 3:15 and we sat out. I kind of smell bad. We sat out in the pool area for an hour and a half, and then our room is ready. So I'll give a little tour. We're on the 4th floor. There was a sign that says, let's show them. Happy birthday. Is it your birthday or my birthday? I don't know.
Your birthday.
So you walk in, what's in there?
Room service cabinet.
Oh my gosh.
Do room service.
You ask for food and then they put it in there. Hopefully like no one can crawl through there. So you walk in, you have this nice little decorative area. A big bathtub. We all know I like a bathtub on vacation. A little vanity. Some goodies in there. Toilet. Sink. I love how the shower is disconnected from everything. You gotta like be comfortable with whoever you're staying with, because there's a window that goes into the...
There's a door.
Oh, okay, I was gonna say, you gotta be comfortable. A big bed. I wonder which side I will take. As long as there's not a heater that blows hot air onto me. If you saw my Breckenridge vlog, you'll know. It's cute. Oh, this must be the free bag we got, Paul.
Yeah.
Some goodies. An espresso, that's cool. This is like the most unorganized tour. 2 bathrobes, and then we were guessing that we probably were gonna be on the 2nd or 3rd floor, but we're on the 4th, and we have a little hot tub. Oh, but you can like see your neighbors in the hot tub.
Yeah, you gotta like...
You gotta be like...
close.
Well, yeah, but... Anyways, that's the view. Over there's the Preferred pool, which we booked Preferred Club, and you get like, I was explaining earlier, like a little separate check-in area. You get your own pool, but when we went over there, we could not find a seat anywhere. It's very small, so we went to the normal pool, made some friends, or Paul made some friends, I should say. And yeah, it's very bright. Okay. That's all for now. We're gonna get unpacked and then go to dinner in a bit. Yeah.
Is everybody watching?
Okay, we're all checked in, thank goodness. And now we are going to the pool for 30 more minutes before we shower and get ready for dinner for the early bird special, because that's what we do. Anyways, it's really windy, so you probably can hear that. So here we are. Here's the view. Hello. Okay, that's really bright. Here's Bob, sleepy boy.
Heyo.
I'll just do it like this. Oh wow, gorgeous. Okay, it's about time for dinner. We are gonna try out the Italian restaurant tonight because it requires pants, supposedly. There's not really like a dress code anywhere except for a few restaurants. Actually, just this one. And Paul only has 1 pair of pants. So we're gonna do that tonight. It is 4:50, I think. 4:51. As usual, we are eating dinner early. We just want to like scope it out and see what the situation is. Because you know when you go to these types of places, like it's hard to get a seat. I don't know. Supposedly it's not bad. So we will see. And we might do a little exploring before. So with that, I'll see you at dinner. Paul was just talking with the timeshare people again. Oh my gosh, I hate that stuff. I also have a stalker. Paul noticed him earlier, and then he was explaining him to me, and then, Paul, we're gonna be like the first ones here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, we're gonna be the first ones at dinner. Okay, bye.
Or are you gonna go find a bar?
We'll This is fine. Be cool. Okay, we're at dinner now. The restaurant didn't open till 6. We thought it was gonna open at 5, so we had to kill some time, and they're gonna bring some bread soon, so we're really excited. Stay tuned. Update. The bread didn't come, he went away. Where'd he go? Update, we got the bread. Thank goodness. Good morning. It is day 2. We went to bed pretty early and we were both up by like 6:30. It's 7:30 now. Paul went down to get a chair, or he's trying to get, I guess he did get a cabana. It's first come first serve, which I think I mentioned yesterday. The chair situation at the pool is a little crazy. Not like insane, but like when we checked in yesterday and we were looking for a chair that was like $130, we couldn't find any at the premium pool, which is well, preferred club, which is what we paid a little bit more money to get. And then we went to the main pool and we were able to find 2, luckily. But I think a lot of people just like leave their towels, like they send their husbands down to block chairs for the day, and they come and go, and then like towards the end of the day you don't know if chairs are even claimed anymore because people just like get up and leave and just leave their stuff, so you just don't know. So anyways, we'll see how that goes. But Paul got a cabana, and then I think he got a chair next to it because he likes the shade, I like the sun, at least at the beginning of the vacation. But yeah, I think that's the plan for today, just kind of hang out by the pool and enjoy the weather. It is 57 degrees right now. It does get chilly here in the winter months, like high of 70s, but overnight it does cool down. So that's the tea on that. But yes, we'll see what happens. Okay, bye. Is it really breakfast with that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drinks for yourself? No. And this chair next to us, and we ran in to go get some food, but like these chairs have been reserved for over 2 hours now and no one's here, so it's kind of annoying, but I guess you gotta do what you gotta do. There's not a ton of space, as you can see. Okay, now enjoy this montage of the day. Okay, so we went to the pool and now this door is not staying. Okay, we don't know if this is gonna work. We went to the pool for a little bit, well actually all day, and then came back and relaxed. I took a shower and then got ready for dinner. So here's my little outfit, kind of interesting. Yeah, just a whole day of, you know, doing nothing, you know. And we're going to the Mexican restaurant for dinner, so it should be good. Good thing Paul didn't walk out in his underwear because he was just getting ready. Anyway, so we're gonna, I think, actually go to the preferred lounge. What time is it? And then dinner at 6, because like I said last night, the earliest dinner is 6 around here. Like, I guess that's for our own good, but anyways, see you when I see you. Bye. Again. You're gonna run into that.
Watch out for the cactus.